In this video, I'm unboxing my newest locomotives from Lionel. I have two LionChief Plus 2.0 locomotives that just arrived, and we're starting right now. Hi, I'm Owen. In these videos, I'm continuing to build, expand, and improve my Lionel Polar Express O-gauge train layout. This is a labor of love that I've been working on for quite some time, and I will be continuing to work on it indefinitely. So there are lots more videos to come. This would be a great time to click the thumbs up down below and like this video, and also click subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, so that you are notified of all my new videos as they come out. For those of you who have subscribed, thank you so much. I really appreciate your support. I also appreciate comments and feedback, so if you have any questions or comments you'd like to add, please drop them down below in the comments section. I'll try to answer all of them as soon as possible. Now, let's get started with the unboxing. This is the Pere Marquette locomotive, LionChief Plus 2.0, and you'll notice a couple things about it. One is it has this really cool reverse light in the cab that shines back over the tender and would be a good light to see by going backward. Another thing is that if you look inside the engine, you can see the glowing firebox on the engine, and if we zoom in a little bit, you'll also notice that there are two figures, an engineer and a fireman figure, in the locomotive. That's a really cool look. We're going to bring this around the layout, and then we'll stop it and take a close look at it once we get it all the way around. We have three LED lights on the locomotive in the front, the two little green lights and then the headlight, which are, I think, pretty cool looks. There. Now, the Pere Marquette is the second of the two locomotives that I bought. The first is the Polar Express locomotive, obviously, for my Polar Express layout. The Pere Marquette was the inspiration for the Polar Express locomotive and tender, and it is a Berkshire 284, two figures in the engine, and you can see the light comes on again when it stops. I'm controlling this locomotive. I'll back out here and let you get a little bit of a peek. I'm controlling this locomotive with my iPad mini using the LionChief Plus 2.0 app. and it is a really cool way to run the locomotives. I can run both locomotives. I can run either one of them by linking and unlinking them. See the Pere Marquette name on the tender. It's just really nicely detailed, very cool looks to it. There's a fan-driven smoke unit on this, and what I had forgotten was I used the app on my iPad mini to turn that on as well. So I've now got the smoke turned on, and it's blowing smoke as it goes around. And see what kind of control we have as it comes down and makes the descent. Good control, good speed control. You can see the figure in the engine on this side, the engineer figure. And we're smoking away as we go on down with our cars all functioning. There's the hero boy walking brakeman as he goes from end to end on that car. And once we get all the way through there, we're going back over to track number 1 through the switch. Let's see if we can make the Polar Express train, get that up to a grade. The Lionel LionChief Plus 2.0 locomotives have several different control methods that you can use. I'm using the LionChief app on my iPad mini. You can also use the legacy control system, TrainMaster command and control system, or a conventional transformer control system. You can also use the Universal LionChief Remote. I find that the app is working quite well for me, so I'm pretty happy with that. The locomotives look fantastic, both of them. The Pere Marquette, which was the inspiration for the Polar Express locomotive in the movie, looks every bit as good as I hoped it would look. The LionChief Plus 2.0 Polar Express locomotive looks every bit as good as I hoped it would look. The lights on the locomotives really add something to them. The multiple control options are a big plus, I think, and that's going to be something that I'll explore more going forward. With that, we're going to call this a wrap on this video. Please be sure to click the thumbs up below and like the video. Please be sure to subscribe if you haven't done so already. I really appreciate that support. And share the video on social media or with other people that you know that are into model railroading. Thanks for watching.